My starting point was personal. It was the experience, it was my own personal experience of walking into an old people's home, visiting my mother-in-law, which was an enormous shock. Alzheimer's is deeply, deeply upsetting as an illness, and when you start to think about somebody who's close to you who is going to die, you start thinking about your own mortality. And I would say I'm not afraid of death, but I am deeply afraid of getting old. The personal and the political for me came together in the play when I started to think, if a society is judged by how it treats its vulnerable, then the way we look after old people is a fairly big indictment. As I started writing, I was aware of statistics like the fact that 10% of people over 65 have Alzheimer's, and 16% of the population are over 65, and by 2033 that's due to rise to 23%, which is an enormous, unprecedented figure. The play is comic, it's dark, and it teeters all the time on those brinks. So people will be affected very differently, I would imagine.